Alright, ladies and gents, boys and girls, this is Moto Noir. And wow, okay. There looks to be a lot of traffic up there. This is probably not going to be too fun of a ride. A lot of ambulances, a lot of police cars going around with their lights on. So I'm wondering what is going on. Hopefully it's not a bad accident or something. Okay, crazy. Very crazy. Alright. Yeah, there's a lot going on in New York right now. Jeez. Yesterday there was a subway shooting. Really horrifying event. I don't really take the subway all that often, and there's reasons for it. I was thinking I hate the subway. Number one, with the pandemic and all that, I kind of quit using the subway at all costs, and I don't have to go into the city at all anymore, really, for work or anything like that. So I pretty much just stay away from the subway as much as humanly possible. But man, yeah, it's just like a single shooter in the subway. Get over here. Yeah, single shooter. Lit off a smoke bomb of sorts, and then the dude opened fire in the middle of a freaking subway car. Really scary. Really stinking scary. I think it took him less than 20 hours or so to get the shooter. And what else? Jeez. I don't know, when the reports first came out for this dude, you know, they had a description of him. The guy that they announced as being arrested and as a suspect, I mean, didn't really fit the initial description. But I think that just kind of goes to show you that eyewitness accounts don't really ever match up with reality. It just shows you how reliable those things are as pure evidence. And I don't want to crowd this ambulance, or even like attempt to go around it. There's definitely got to be an accident or something up there. Has to be. That's all I can think of. It's the only thing that makes sense in this situation. What's going on? Ducati Scrambler. What do you know? Dude, there's so many Ducati Scramblers out there. And, you know, God loves them, you know. God love them. You know? But there's like this culture, douchebaggery culture surrounding the Ducati Scramblers. They're lovely bikes. I like them a lot. But there's just so many of them in New York. So many. That and whatchamacallit, just all of the freaking what is it? Triumphs are everywhere. You name it, there's a Triumph somewhere. And love Triumphs too. Heck, I would own a Triumph. A speed triple? Hell yeah, dude. I would own a speed triple in a second, in a heartbeat. man, but what's up with everyone? But man, I don't know about a scrambler. I mean, they're cute. They really are cute. But I just don't think I would ever own a scrambler. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, peeps. We can move a little bit faster here. Yeah, anyways. So, yeah, that's the big news right now for everyone, in New York at least. Is all the, I mean... Okay. We're gonna just chill here. What the fuck happened? Alright, yeah, small accident. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's the big news in New York, is the subway shooting and the apprehension of the perpetrator. Although he is innocent until proven guilty. But I'll have to say he has made life very difficult for himself in that regard. Although, again, I do find it weird that he does not match the description whatsoever. At all. I mean, the description was like a black male about 5'6", or about 5'6", 6'7", or 5'6", 5'7", roughly 170 to 180 pounds. And that the dude is huge. Like, so, yeah, it's all just a little bit weird. I'm not trying to start a conspiracy theory or anything like that, but it just seems a little odd. And I attended a virtual job fair today, which actually became rather fruitful. Well, now what's going on here? What is this van doing? Weirdos. Jeez. Okay. So I have a bunch of interviews set up for this weekend next. We'll see how that goes. Some pretty interesting stuff. Back in Sunnyside. Man, I love this neighborhood. Freaking nice. Heading to my girlfriend's place. Hopefully just watch some TV and then go to bed. Anywho, kids, that's about it for me. That was a an interesting vlog. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. I hope you have a great one. Stay safe out there, and I will see you on the next vlog.